When it comes to real estate property management software, Cozy is one of the popular options out there. But before you decide to jump in, there are 12 things you need to know about Cozy that will help you determine if it's the right choice for you, especially when compared to other property management platforms. First off, Cozy is known for being user-friendly, which makes it easy for landlords to get started. If you're used to complicated systems from competitors like Buildium or Appfolio, Cozy's simple design might be a breath of fresh air. However, simplicity comes with a catch. While it's easy to navigate, some advanced features that other software offers might be missing. Next, Cozy offers free rent collection, which is a huge plus if you're on a tight budget. This can save landlords money compared to competitors like Rentec Direct, which charge fees for rent collection. That being said, Cozy does have some fees for additional services like credit checks or online applications, so it's important to consider how those might add up. The third thing you need to know is that Cozy has a built-in tenant screening feature, allowing you to run background and credit checks. While it's a nice feature, the reports aren't as in-depth or customizable as those offered by other platforms like Tenant Cloud, which might be a drawback for those who need more detailed data. Next thing, Cozy is cloud-based, so you don't need to worry about installing software on your computer. This makes accessing your property management tools easy from anywhere. However, this also means you'll be relying on an internet connection, which can be an issue in case of connectivity problems, unlike some desktop-based competitors. The fifth thing is that Cozy integrates with major accounting tools like QuickBooks, which can save you time when managing your finances. However, its accounting features aren't as robust as what you'd get with platforms like Appfolio, so if you need advanced accounting options, Cozy might fall short. The sixth point is that Cozy has a feature for managing maintenance requests. It's a simple tool for tenants to submit issues, but if you need more advanced tracking, you might find it lacking compared to something like Buildium, which provides a more extensive system for managing work orders. Now let's talk about the mobile app. Cozy's mobile app is decent, but it doesn't offer as many features as some of the more established platforms like Rentec Direct or Appfolio. If you need full functionality on the go, you might find Cozy a bit limiting. The eighth thing you need to know is that Cozy offers a secure payment system, which is essential for landlords. However, there have been occasional complaints about payment delays, so it's worth keeping an eye on how transactions are processed in your area. Next, Cozy doesn't offer as much in terms of marketing tools for your rental properties. If you're used to features like property listing syndication offered by other platforms, Cozy may not meet all of your advertising needs. You'll need to rely on third-party sites like Zillow for wider exposure. The 10th point to consider is that Cozy offers a free option for landlords with fewer than 20 properties. This is great for smaller landlords, but if you're managing a larger portfolio, Cozy might not be the best fit. Platforms like Buildium are better suited for large-scale operations with more advanced needs. The 11th thing to mention is the customer support. Cozy's support is responsive, but it's mostly via email and chat, so if you prefer speaking to someone on the phone for complex issues, this could be a drawback compared to more hands-on support systems like Appfolio. Finally, Cozy is a solid option for landlords who want a simple, no-frills property management system. It's particularly useful for smaller landlords who don't need all the bells and whistles offered by competitors like Buildium or Appfolio. But if you're looking for something more robust with more advanced features, Cozy might not be the perfect fit. So, while Cozy is a good option for those who want an affordable and easy-to-use platform, if you're looking for a better solution with more features and flexibility, check out our recommended solution, which you can try for free.